Hi guys, so today I'm going to be hauling the Snoop Slimes. The slime that I got is a crispy marshmallow treat. So this is it. And I know I don't really do much videos, but this is going to be like my second video ever, probably. So, sorry about the background noise. So, basically, I'm going to take it out the container, and then I'm going to put the stuff on. The crispy marshmallow treat. Wait, wait, you guys. My shirt, it matches. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Okay, this is actually kind of fun. Wait, I kind of like this. Why does it sound so good? It sounds like so good. Wait, I'm gonna make a bubble. Oh, that didn't turn out very good. Wait, but I like the bubble pops. I like it. Sounds like really good. Okay. Okay. Whoa. What was that? Okay, so I like this texture. And like, I don't want to ruin it. I don't want to ruin the slime putting on the clay. Anyway, I have to do it, guys. But this slime is so nice, and I love the texture. It's like, it feels like a fluffy times buttery / buttery texture. I think it is butter slime. And then they also sent me this, or like gave me it. I think it's to like, oh my gosh. It shows us how to make our own activator. And then, my grandma's playing with some other slime. I got it at the mall. It's called Kawaii Slime Company, and it's called Baby Axolotl. I love axolotls. Yeah, I can go back to playing with it. Okay, so I'm gonna make one last bubble. Oh my gosh. This is so fun. I love slime. Okay, I think now I'm going to add the crispy marshmallow. So let me put this back in the container. Doesn't fit all the way. Oh my gosh, it doesn't fit all the way. What a fart noise. We're just going to act like this is all the way in, because that's all I can really get. Okay, so now we're gonna open up the drizzle. Let's see. Oh, that's kind of sticky. We can open that up. Now we're gonna put in the charms. Oh, after I open this. That came out very good. Wait. It smells like clay. I would expect that. Oh my gosh, is that like marshmallow? Wait, you guys, hear this. That was supposed to be some ASMR. But now let's get the slime. By the way, I'm gonna stop that. Now let's spread it out. Spread. Wait, I want to make one last bubble. And now let's do that. Anyway, back to Jamie. Okay.
That's the little kids fighting.
Okay. Everyone, my grandma's gonna watch me do this. Okay. So first you put the clay. How to add a clay add-on. So first you put the slime away, but make sure you leave it how you formed it. So yeah. Then you take this. Then you take the drizzle. Then you drizzle it on. Drizzle. 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 Okay. Drizzle. Then you drizzle it on. Oh my gosh. Does anyone see that? Help. This is like the worst drizzle ever. Why am I drizzling it like that? Help. Help. It doesn't drizzle perfectly how I thought it would. I want more slime. This is a good slime. I like this brand. Help. What's going on? Help. It's flipping. Wait, I think I might have messed up because I think I was supposed to put the Rice Krispie treat on first. And okay. I get it. You want? Let me drizzle it a little bit better. So, I think that's the best we can get. Okay, so now I'm gonna put this to the side, and I'm gonna grab that. Now let me just fix that hole. Now let's add this on. I'm sorry. Oh, okay. Wait, first let me show you it. I know that's already kind of stuck to it, but this is what I got out of that. Okay, now we're gonna use this. Okay. This is probably not the proper way to do it. You're supposed to probably leave the slime in the container, but I wanted to see how it felt, you know? Like, I don't want to just... I think that's... Okay, now let's do the charms. Okay, open. Sorry about the dogs. It's not mine. That's my next one. Okay, now let's open this, then let's drizzle this on. That went on there perfectly.
You need some help?
I think I got it. Wait. Open. Okay, kind of messy, but I think it's just the drizzle. The drizzle is kind of sticky.
All right, open up your hands.
I hope we're gonna sprinkle it on my hands, like my hand is clay. Okay, now, okay.
Pretty.
Okay, that's the best that I could get it. It's the best that I could get it. Okay, now let's mix. I'm gonna do the bubble over it. Oh, that's getting kind of sticky. Okay, I think she gotta mix it fastly. It's taking over my hands. What is this? Guys, this is not the way to do it. This is like the worst. Never ever do the way that I did it. It's taking over my hands. We're gonna add some activator because Peachy Babies has some good activator. Hello. Hello.
Oh, okay.
Now, just activator, help me. Help me, activator. Oh, that works really good. It came right off. It's separated. Okay, we're getting close.
There's still some more right there. You need it.
I love you, Snoop Slimes, but why did you do this to me? Okay, now this is definitely some butter slime because I added some clay and clay really just makes it like butter slime. Oh. Okay. What is that?
What?
What is that black mark in there?
It's part of a marker.
Oh.
Look on the table.
This smells just like a Rice Krispie marshmallow. It's crazy how good it smells. It's like
Does that marshmallow smell?
it smells so good. And I love how slime is scented. Wait, this is actually kind of...
That was pretty.
That's... Oh my gosh. Wait, I'm going to do it again. I forgot how last time I like how it goes like... Wow. That sounds so nice. I honestly,
There you go.
that was way better than just doing the bubble.
Ooh.
Oh, I'm getting stuck again. Wait, activator, come here. That feels much better. Okay. Woo. Swap up the floor.
Right there.
Okay, I'll get that. Now I have a personal phone. Huh. Now? Wait, this is actually so fun. I think I might haul the other slime after this video because I don't want to make the 14 minutes long. I saw someone do a short with this, a YouTube short with this, and I'm making a whole video and it's only 14 minutes.
Say adios.
Okay.
And
And
do you a short.
wait, let me snap, and I'm gonna do a cool transformation. Wait, no, I'm gonna do a cool transformation when it's in the bowl.